Yo, 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 this is True One. I'm reporting live from the woods. Look at our house in the distance over there. It's nuts right now out here. It is fucking nuts. It's nuts out here. Nuts. Super nuts. What's going on my headlight? Yo, you already know True One. We take it to the extreme all the time, nigga. You know how it is. North Face never stop exploring, my nigga. We're in the fucking mountains. En la montaña, parce. Mira, no se ve ni un culo para allá. Mira, oh my god. Hue puta, mira, no se ve nada. We're in the middle of a fucking storm right now. This is nuts, 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 nuts. Look at this girl, all full of snow. Holy shit. Wow. You already know. You already know who this is. True One and Stephanie coming through. YouTube, baby. Middle of a snowstorm, 2010. Holla back. Later. Snow will continue through the overnight, tapering off to snow showers by noon Monday. Impacts. Very hazardous travel due to significant accumulations of snow on roads and gusty winds causing blowing.